All right. Part 4. I'm gonna go ahead, take this stuff off, drain the radiator, take the radiator out, and get down there, see what's going on. Well, the shroud's off now, so you can really see in there, and the radiator drain is right down here, so right there. And I'm going to go ahead and put that pan under there and start the drain. Alright, so it's all drained out. Get those off and the radiator will come out. Alright, got the radiator off. Hope it's in good shape still. And we can start doing all this stuff. So you have the water pump, harmonic balancer, and power steering pump is all that's left on the front. Let's get that power steering pump off. Alright, so up to this point, everything's been pretty much just straight ratchet, socket, bolt. This is where we have a little specialty tools. This is a pulley puller installer kit. So this I'm going to use to take off power steering pulley. Okay, once the apparatus is on there, you just have to back this bolt out using a counter here. Drive this in, and then we'll pull this pulley off. Let's get to it. pulleys came off. It slides off the shaft. Next, I'm able to take out a few more bolts that were hidden by the pulley, and when those bolts come out, this whole thing will come out. Get the power steering pump out here, and then move on to the harmonic balancer. All this. So I'm about to take this pulley off. When you pull these bolts, it turns this pulley. So I rigged up this belt here, wrapped around a screwdriver, and hopefully when I turn it, yes, it has a lot of tension here, and it should hold that in place. So let's try to take it off. Alright, so this is a harmonic balancer puller kit. Okay, so here's the basic harmonic balancer puller kit installed, and you can see 1, 2, 3 bolts, this little gold ring here, and then there's a bolt that goes in the middle. Basically, these 3 bolts hold the gold thing in, and as you tighten this, very tight, and as this is pulling out, you'll pull this harmonic balancer off the engine. Let's go ahead and do that. So I got all the stuff off the front of the engine now. Only thing left is the timing cover, which I'll just take off when I pull the engine out. No biggie. A little ground wire. Pull these off. Just some little minor stuff. Maybe I'll make a quick video showing how to pull the motor mounts down there and down there, and at the same time back of the transmission there are bolts that we have to undo called bell housing. Undo those bolts and the engine will be actually able to move around a little bit. So anyways, see you in the next video.